20 people gathered last week to compete at the second annual hand soldering competition at the Scandinavian Electronics Event in Stockholm. Competition organiser Lars-Gunnar Klang told us why he thinks this old art is still important.
Well, it is all companies doing any kind of soldering. They have to do hand soldering as well. They have to replace components, and some components they can't mount with a placement machine. So hand soldering will be around for the foreseeable future at least. And therefore it's also a certain craftsmanship is needed, a certain skill is needed to do this. And this is a way to highlight the skill of the operators.
Jörgen Torsson from Scandinavian EMS provider Note judged the event, basing his evaluation on the IPC 610 Class 2 Revision E industry standard. He said that hand soldering can fix problems where machines fail.
Det är många fel som sker och då måste du byta ut komponenterna och maskinerna klarar inte av att byta komponenter utan där kommer ju handövningen in i bilden.
Of the 20 people competing this year, Jörgen said 19 managed to solder functioning boards, but only 5 passed the IPC standard. With plans to continue the competition in the future, let's hope the strike rate improves next time.